Welcome back to Rocky Knob Farm and our YouTube channel. I'm Jason Akers, and we're on our 5th plant of corn. We've got sweet corn here. A little bit in this patch. We're going to finish this out, and hopefully we got enough fertilizer. We can do about a half acre around the curve. This here is probably a little over an acre. So stay tuned. If you look to the right of the screen, you'll see that's the 4th planting of corn that just came up, and we're taking off and going on it up the field and finishing it out. Got that field finished up. Look who come to visit. It's Lydia.
Cut one. Oh.
Are they grown up?
They're big chickies now, ain't they?
Are you a farmer, Lydia?
That one's trying to fly too.
That's a big one.
Yeah, that's a big one.
That one's a big one.
Reach it. All right. You got, no, don't give it to the chickies. Bring it to Tabby. You found an eggie. Thank you.
And as you can see, we enjoy having Lydia around. Miss Farmer Finn. And our field tomatoes are looking great. Tanner, he's feeding the tomatoes some fertilizer. As you can see in the high tunnel, we're getting green tomatoes everywhere. Tab even harvested a pepper. She also spoke this weekend at a high tunnel field day as Farmer of the Year. Her green beans are looking great. And she continues to prune these tomatoes in time about every day. And it's getting close to June. We're going to start planting some pumpkins soon. So we've been over mowing around the field and trying to mow all the hay and get it ready to put up. Then we're going to go through and plow. So we have had a few people ask us if we're planning on staking all these field tomatoes. The answer is no. We plant them on plastic and hoping that these determinants will be fine. Also, these potatoes, they're looking good. Tanner got those worked out. They probably are the best looking potatoes I've ever raised. Well, that's going to wrap this video up. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.